Wednesday, September 24th edition of the Carolina Weather Video. Meteorologist Matthew East here along with you. Let's start off with a look from the Banner Elk web camera from resortcams.com in Banner Elk. The temperature 44 degrees. It's pretty chilly all around the region this morning. And west-northwest wind up there in that part of the high country at 4 miles per hour. Let's check some other mountain temperatures here. Early this morning, and you'll note you see a lot of 40s again on the board in many mountain spots here early this morning. 42 in Linville and West Jefferson, 47 in Blowing Rock. Beech Mountain reporting 49 degrees. Now these are highs yesterday. 60, that's the best Greensboro could do. It was 59 for a high in Winston-Salem, 59. 64 in Charlotte and Raleigh, 66 even down in the Sandhills region, in Fayetteville, 67 in Wilmington, 71 in Columbia. A very cool September day around the region, and it is a chilly, damp morning unfolding during the 5 o'clock hour. A lot of Piedmont and even Sandhill spots in the 50s, much of South Carolina in the 50s this morning, and as mentioned, those 40s up in the mountains. Winds, not a lot of change from yesterday out of the north and northeast, and at least for North Carolina, it's going to be another day that features some rain at times across the region as this area of low pressure slowly is crawling further up the coast. And so we have this batch of rain out there this morning lifting to the north, and it's going to be a favorable setup today for periods of rain. And down into South Carolina, the rain persists for a while too, but the best lift actually shifting into parts of North Carolina as we go through today. So there's a detailed look at the radar about 15 minutes after 5 o'clock this morning. This batch of heavier showers there lifting through parts of the southern triad viewing area over towards the western triangle. And again, it's just a setup today that's going to favor the opportunity of some of these showers out there at times. The rain's actually pretty heavy over toward the Outer Banks and northeastern North Carolina as this low pressure slowly crawls up near the coast. So again, today, clouds, some showers at times. Here's the latest run of the high resolution modeling, and you see that batch of rain moving through, impacting a good part of the region as we go through today. So this will be another day where our temperatures are really significantly held in check. Low to mid 60s at best across the Piedmont. It'll be a struggle to even get to 60 in some foothill and Piedmont spots today. Now tomorrow, the RPM modeling here, that's the base map you see there for the clouds and the precipitation. It's indicating a lot of sunshine building in. I don't see a whole lot of forcing there to erode this wedge that we're going to have in place, so I'm going to play it pretty pessimistic tomorrow and go with the idea of some clouds lingering through at least a good chunk of the day. That's why I've gone with around 68 for the Greensboro high. We will see if those mid-70s happen in Charlotte and Raleigh. A lot of times these wedges linger longer than expected, and I think that's a possibility at least tomorrow. But we do look to be in pretty good shape then for Friday. Big area of high pressure over the Great Lakes, some warmer temperatures moving on into the 70s, even some low 80s down in South Carolina. And I think the weekend still looks very nice. That high pressure is meandering across the northeastern part of the country. Moisture building off to the southwest of us. That'll get here for Monday and Tuesday with some rain chances those days. But I think the weekend looks pretty good overall. Tropics, it is quiet as can be. And again, we are still very close to the statistical peak of the Atlantic hurricane season. There's just no problems out there. Some very disorganized showers and storms across the Caribbean Sea. No developmental signs there. And really nothing at all concerning when you look at the big picture across the Atlantic Ocean. So no sign of any tropical development over the next few days. All right, that is it for today's edition of the video. Everybody have a wonderful day, and God bless.